Hello dear friends, welcome to another video of the Never Do Through the GUI what you can do through the CLI channel. Today we will be talking about Rust 1Password Linux client. I want to talk a little bit about this event, let's say, the release of a Linux client for 1Password, and I want to talk specifically about one aspect of this. But before we go into the aspect, for all of you that still haven't heard about this, 1Password has released a native Linux client for their application. So the Linux users that wanted to use 1Password can do from now on. What I was excited about this release is that 1Password used Rust in order to build this client from the ground up. It is right from scratch. It is not based on any existing code base. It was created entirely in Rust, anew. This was one thing that excited me a lot. And another thing which I will discuss briefly in this video is one that was referred to in a Reddit post. And the Reddit post is we are the creators of 1Password for Linux, ask us anything. So the point that I want to briefly go over in this video was a point that made me quite an impression, and this is why I created this video and I'm talking about it. And it is this one. It is this reply to this question about how they handle the code bases among different platforms, etc. And here we have this user who replies to this question, and he says that this new core will be used, as you can see here, this will be used on other platforms too, so there will be a unified experience for this application. But what I would really like to stress is this part. He says, at the beating heart of the Linux app is a common architecture that we are using to power the next generation. It's pretty incredible. Not only does the core collect all of our logic, etc., it also enforces user interface consistency across all apps, to the point where we can actually make changes in the core that result in changes to the user interfaces without a front-end developer having to do any work at all. This approach has freed our UI developers to focus on what they do best while achieving an incredibly high degree, etc., etc. So this point, as you can see, they describe. Did I lose it? Yes, here we are. They describe that they can change not a great deal, but some part of the UI through their core service. So they make changes to the core package, and they incur changes to the user interfaces, to all the user interfaces for the various platforms. And this was quite impressive to me. There are some comments below. For example, there is a comment somewhere down here that says that this may not be good because you want a native look and feel for each platform. But that's a different story. What I'm focused on is mainly the ability to be able to control basic features, basic UI stuff from your service. And I find this very interesting and very revolutionary, let me say, if I can say that. Because just imagine the new potential that this opens, indeed, if you can control your UI experience at a great level from your service. I think I see it as a positive thing, and I would really love to learn more about this. If you check the whole story here, they link you back to this article about the whole thing about the Linux release. I have read this article and I will read it again. There are some descriptions here about the architecture that they used here too. I had a quick read of this article, but I will reread it because, as I said, this feature, these changes in the core that results in changes in the user interfaces, seems very interesting to me. And I would like to get more information on how they implemented it, because I might also be able to use it in some use cases. So this is the issue that I wanted to talk about. It was, as I said, quite surprising positively for me, and as I said, I think it has something revolutionary. If those that watch this video have any more information regarding this feature, I would really like to learn more, so you can provide your information through comments. As I said, I will also read the other article too again, and I will search myself even for more information. Maybe I will try to contact the 1Password creators, because I said it seems very interesting to me. So this is all that I wanted to share. I don't know what your opinion is on this thing, on this possibility that the 1Password team created. If you feel this is good or if you feel this is bad, I would really like to know what developers think about this specific feature. So this is the video. That's all I wanted to share with you in this video. If you like the content of this channel, you can subscribe, you can like the video, etc., etc. Thank you for watching and have a great day.